Are you excited? You should be. Inside this box lies your new massage chair, and we're here to help you set it up with a few quick steps. Let's get you one step closer to comfort. Check the exterior for any signs of damage and carefully cut the straps to open the box. Remove the protective materials, including the cardboard and plastic, and keep them aside. We are sure you're already loving the first look of your new chair. The chair comes ready to use, so just lower the connected leg rest gently. Take out the power cable, display holder, LED display, Allen key, and user manual, and set them aside for now. Remove the screw before twisting the display holder into position. Adjust the angle as you prefer and slide the controller into position. Align the zip linings on both sides of the seat and press gently to secure them in place. Connect the power cable to the chair and turn it on. Your chair is ready and good to go. We're always here for you if you need us. For now, take a seat, let the chair do its thing, and enjoy the calm you've been waiting for.
Lixo, your health partner.